sell real estate. Look at the shower curtain on Kelly Beach. She looks so hot. Can I still say tranny miss?
No, that's over.
Find a man, coin a phrase. It's a busy year.
He hates me.
That's not hate. That's you dumped me, but I'm too cool to show it. But secretly, I'm listening to Air Supply's greatest hits.
Elena, oh my God, how are you? Oh, it's so good to see you. How is she? Is she good?
Caroline, I'm right here. And I'm fine. Thank you.
Really?
Yes. Much better.
Oh, you poor thing.
Okay, Caroline.
Oh. Okay, see you guys later?
Okay. Bye. No comment. I'm not gonna say anything.